Welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for everything crypto. Today, we're diving into how you can maximize your earnings on OKX using the referral code HH368. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these fantastic bonuses and trading opportunities. So, let's get started. First off, what exactly is the OKX promo code? It's a simple way to get some amazing bonuses just for signing up and using the platform. By using the code HH368, you'll unlock exclusive benefits like bonus USDT, mystery boxes, and trading fee discounts. Let's break it down step by step on how you can get started. Step 1. Create a new account on OKX. Head over to the OKX website and start the registration process. You'll need to enter your basic details like your email address or mobile number and set up a secure password. Don't forget to enter the promo code HH368 in the referral code field to claim your bonus right away. Step 2. Verification process. After signing up, you'll need to complete the KYC verification process if necessary. This usually involves submitting a photo ID and possibly a selfie for verification purposes. This step is crucial for unlocking all the features and bonuses on OKX. Step 3. Depositing funds. Once you've signed up and completed the verification process, it's time to deposit some funds. OKX offers multiple deposit methods, including crypto transfers, bank transfers, and credit or debit card payments. Simply navigate to the Assets section, click on Deposit, and choose your preferred method. Remember, to unlock the maximum bonuses, make sure you meet the minimum deposit requirements. Step 4. Start trading. After your deposit is confirmed, you're ready to start trading. OKX provides a variety of trading options such as spot trading, futures trading, and even margin trading. This is a great way to get started if you're new to the trading scene. Just follow the steps to execute your trades and make sure you meet any specific trading volume requirements to claim your bonuses. Step 5. Claiming rewards. Next, let's talk about claiming those rewards. Navigate to the Rewards Hub section on the OKX platform. Here, you'll find all the information you need about the terms and conditions of the sign-up bonuses. Follow the steps to complete any necessary actions, like making a trade or meeting deposit thresholds, then click on the Claim button to get your bonus. Now, let's quickly cover some of the standout features of OKX. This platform is known for its robust security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for your funds. Plus, with a low and transparent fee structure, starting from just 0.1% for spot trading and 0.02% for futures, it's super cost-effective. But that's not all. OKX also offers a comprehensive affiliate program. By inviting friends using your referral code, you can earn commissions on their trading fees. It's a fantastic way to boost your earnings while helping others discover a great trading platform. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for new users. Always start with a small percentage of your portfolio, especially if you're trying out new trading strategies. Familiarize yourself with the platform's tools and features, and don't hesitate to explore the OKX Academy for some great educational resources. All right, folks, that's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide on using the OKX promo code HH368 helpful. Don't miss out on these incredible bonuses. Sign up today and start maximizing your crypto trading profits. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Crypto Kickstart, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to use the OKX promo code HH368 when you sign up. Thanks for watching and happy trading.